And today it's like 8:08, 8:09, cause I just tried doing a video, my phone shut off. So, but yeah, I just got back from my sleepover. Go check out those two videos. Over at Diggins' house with the Dig. Yeah, he had to go see his mom, so it's just me. But I'm gonna promise you guys that I'm gonna be doing more videos. Right now it's April 3rd, I guess. Yeah, it's April 3rd, so it's spring break right now, which is good. Yeah. You know, I could see my breath, but it ain't cold out here, surprisingly. Yeah, we're going fishing today, so I'm gonna be doing at least a video over there. Me fishing, trying to catch fish. But if you wanna, you could go check out my other channel. It's, sorry, I had to wipe off the screen. Can you guys see? All right. I'm not able on it because it's something with Google, mainly because it got hacked or something. So, yeah. I do not know what that was, so that wasn't Chaz. It's probably someone letting out the cat, but it shows that we're going now. We're now Bright Isis. Yeah. What is this?
Where we going fishing, Jim?
Yeah, when are we?
I said where?
I think we might be going to the Ogden River.
No, I don't want to go.
We're going fishing.
I don't want to go fishing.
Too bad, Alyssa.
Just kidding, we're not going fishing.
We're not?
No.
I
Oh,
don't want to go fishing.
sorry for that.
So chill.
Oh,
I'm not going.
It's too
that sucks. Alright, well, since that we're not.
Yeah, you look so cute over there. Oh, look, cute.
Yeah.
And I
Since that I'm not going to be catching any fish.
Where did you go?
think you sneaked outside.
Sneaked outside.
Yeah.
You better.